It's the beginning of spring, and we're feeling a touch of warmth in the air. A touch of summer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this easy, soft, warm eyeshadow look on small monolid eyes. I'm starting with eyeshadow primer. Then I'm taking a brown gel liner pencil. I'm going to line the top of the lash line first. Then I'm slowly flicking out the wing, and notice how I'm opening and then dropping my eyelids. When you're doing eyeliner, make sure your eyes are open and you're looking straight. With the eyeliner brush, I'm just smudging and smoothing out the eyeliner. And then with the residue on my brush, I'm just going to line the lower lash line, and I'm stopping halfway. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors. With a fluffy brush, I'm taking a warm brown shade and swiping that all over my eyelids and going just a little bit above the crease, making sure to blend that so we get a nice, soft, even color. With a smaller fluffy brush, take the peachy pink color and apply that just to the outer third of the eyelids. Make sure you don't go past the halfway mark of your eyes. Then I'm just lightly flicking that color outwards to create a slight wing. With an eyeliner brush, I'm taking the darkest brown color and patting that over my gel pencil. This is to prevent smudging because I have oily eyelids. With the same brush, I'm taking the peachy pink color and placing that on top of my lower lash line. To curl my lashes, I'm heating it up with a lighter. And touch it to make sure it's warm and not hot before you start curling your lashes. Then I'm taking my favorite mascara and adding a very light layer. Notice how I'm lifting my eyelid and just barely touching my lashes. Now I'm taking my ring finger and removing any excess off my lashes. I'm doing this because my lashes are so thin and sparse and light. To finish the eyes, I'm using the Hunni false lashes from Colourpop. I have a separate video on how I apply my false lashes you can check out. Now I'm taking a bronzer from M Cosmetics and just applying that to my cheekbones, my jawline, and then to contour the nose, I'm actually taking a contour color, which is a cool gray color. Now I'm taking this Lunar Beauty blush palette and mixing a matte and shimmer peachy blush shade and applying that to my cheekbones, starting from the back and working my way inwards. Now I'm taking a tissue and blotting off the lip balm from my lips and going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk lipstick. And I'm applying that all over my lips. Then I'm topping it off with Dose of Colors lip gloss called On Repeat, and I'm just applying that to the center of the bottom and top of my lips. To finish it off, I'm adding just a touch of gold glitter with my ring finger and applying that to the center of my eyelids, just for a little sparkle. And that completes our final look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.